In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage students in Teachable. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating student profiles, updating their login details, adjusting enrollments, reviewing purchases, and knowing when and how to remove a user. Start in your Teachable admin dashboard and head to Users, then select Students. This is your central hub for everyone who's registered on your school. When you click on a student's name, you'll open their profile. Think of this as their file folder. You'll see their name, email address, login information, tags that help you categorize them, any roles they might have if they're part of your team, and internal notes your staff can reference. This overview is especially handy when you're troubleshooting access issues or preparing to adjust what a learner can see. If a student can't sign in or needs their contact details updated, you can handle that right inside the profile. Update their email if it's outdated or misspelled, or reset their password to help them get back in quickly. It's a good practice to confirm the person's identity through your normal support process before changing login credentials, and to let the student know that the update has been made so they know what to expect on their next login. Next, let's look at enrollments. Within the same profile, you can enroll the student into a course or product, or unenroll them if their access should end. This is useful for granting complimentary access, moving someone into a new cohort, or correcting an accidental enrollment. When you make changes here, double-check that the student's access now matches what you intended. Clear communication helps too. A quick note to the learner about their new access keeps support requests down. To verify what a student has paid for, open the Purchases tab in their profile. You'll see a record of what they bought, which is great for confirming eligibility for course materials, verifying access dates, or preparing responses to billing questions. This view is also helpful if a learner is confused about which plan or bundle they're on. Finally, if you ever need to remove someone from your school, you can permanently delete the user from their profile. Use this only when you're certain it's the right move, because it removes their access and is not easily reversible. Before proceeding, make sure any necessary records are noted and that you've followed your organization's data and support policies. That's it. With the Student section, profiles, login updates, enrollments, purchases, and the option to delete, you have everything you need to keep your Teachable school organized and your learners supported.